flower number 23, I've got my dark teal color selected. I am going to add a new layer and stamp it down. I'm gonna use my arrow tool and the green dot to rotate it just a little to match my other flower. Now there are two ways we could add this lighter teal detail. I've shown you clipping mask before, but I think for this example, what's easiest is to just tap our layer and click alpha lock so we can only draw right on the flower. And we need our monoline brush. And then I'm just gonna draw right on it. And you can see because we have alpha lock on, you can only see where I'm coloring on that flower instead of all the white space behind it. So now we are done with that, and let's go ahead and add our elements that are on top of the flower. So add another new layer and grab a white. I'm going to use flower stamp number 12 and see what size we're at. That's pretty good right there. So I'll stamp 3 of those. 2-finger tap to undo if you need to. And then I am gonna grab my monoline brush. And since the details are pretty simple, I'm just gonna keep working right on the same layer. So I'll add a little dot in the center of each one of those flowers. And then using the light or the hot pink color, I'm gonna add a bigger dot kind of below each flower. And then I am going to, still on my monoline, grab white in a smaller size, and I'm just gonna add a few more dots. Now we wanna add those lines, and those we might need to edit a little bit. So let's go ahead and tap your flower layer, add a new layer above it, test your monoline size. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it that size so you can see it well. So if I put my pencil down, tap and hold, then I get this nice straight line. So I'll carry that and repeat that for each of these. And then if I were to turn my background layer off, you would see that those hang over my flower. So all I need to do is tap that layer and hit clipping mask. Whoop. I don't know why my color changed. Let's go back. All right, tap that layer, hit clipping mask. I must have hit a different option. So that is all complete now. So now we need to add some background details. So go ahead and just add a new layer, tap and hold, drag it to the bottom, and we're on our monoline. I've got my navy, so I'm just gonna add 2 little arced extra flowers back here. I'm gonna make that bigger just to make it faster. And then I'll grab a dark pink and a smaller monoline brush, add 3 dots above each of those blue petals we added. And we are on a bottom layer, so we can go ahead and add our stem. And then switch colors one more time back to navy. And then I just added a few simple dots on each side of the stem. Those weren't very even. And now we can, as we've done in the past, we could either group or merge. This time I am just going to pinch them all together, and now our flower is all on one layer.